Welcome to Behavioral Mechanics of Wealth, an architectural blueprint for pecuniary independence. We explore the paradox of the showman. The myth is the humbug, relying on luck and instinct. The reality is the mechanic, who manages habits as a mathematical utility and engineers trust systems. There is no such thing as luck. This video introduces the 80/20ths blueprint, powered by 5 engines: biological, economy, the sofa, trust, and integrity. These principles transform health, manage spending, defend against failure, build trust, and ensure honesty. Engine 1 is the clear brain, focusing on biological clarity. Good health is the foundation of fortune, providing the necessary judgment. Conversely, stimulants like tobacco and alcohol act as unmitigated evils, warping judgment into cognitive muddle. Engine 2 is the spigot and bung-hole. False economy obsesses over small, low-yield savings, leading to cognitive load exhaustion, being penny-wise and pound-foolish. True economy manages high-level margins and seals structural expenses to establish a persistent mathematical margin. Seal the bung-hole, not the spigot. Engine 3 is the sofa effect. This social phenomenon drives failure by instigating unnecessary and escalating expenses due to the, quote, fear of what neighbors might think. It progresses from an initial entry to a mismatch, then contagion, and ultimately an overhaul. Debt is the machinery that keeps operators in poverty. It's working for a dead horse. Interest is an autonomous force that works day and night, robbing self-respect and acting as a relentless machine. Engine 4 is advertising trust and the activation curve. Sowing persistent information is a strategic necessity. Blindness converts to purchase action at insertion 7 or more, following the compounding of trust that begins around insertion 3. The gin and multiplier demonstrates the power of high visibility investment. A small investment can generate significant extra sales. In this example, $225 in publicity resulted in $60,000 in sales by leveraging visibility into conversion. Engine 5 is pragmatic integrity. Cheating is the most difficult path, as discarding principles permanently closes avenues to success. Strict honesty builds community trust, which guarantees access to resources, leading to capital growth that feeds back into the system. We must recognize the danger of facility. The necessity of hard knocks means that the effort to earn the first $1,000 is a mandatory training phase. The illusion of facility, acquiring wealth without effort, lacks behavioral friction and makes ruin a mathematical certainty. The architecture of lasting wealth is built on 3 bays. Bay 1, biological input, provides ambition and judgment. Bay 2, financial processing, uses true economy to seal structural leaks. Bay 3, market multipliers, scales capital through advertising trust and integrity. Wealth is not a matter of luck. By mastering one's own nature, regulating finances, and compounding public trust, success becomes a predictable output. Pecuniary independence is mathematically inevitable. This video utilizes a variety of image sources, which are listed here for reference. These include images related to mechanical designs and blueprints. Additional image sources used in this video are listed on this slide.